Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share one of my latest purchases with you. As you might be able to tell, I have a few boxes here in the background as well. But let's start with this one from Louis Vuitton. Yeah, let's see if we can open this. So we have the magnetic closure box. And in here is this is actually, I bought this before, so this is a repurchase. We have the dust bag here. And in it we have the beautiful and oh so classic Keepall bandoulière Monogram. Just gonna put this box away. So yes, here she is. It's the 50 family here, as you can tell. We have the strap in here. Beautiful. Here is the little lock. Keys, 2 sets of keys, and the LV lock. And it also says Louis Vuitton on the backside. So yeah, it has the classic luggage tag. As I mentioned before, I already have one, so I decided to not hot stamp this one, but obviously you can. I just had a hard time to decide what I would like and what colors. And it also comes with this strap here for the handles. And yeah. Let's see if we can give you guys a good picture. This is a perfect size. The 50 works perfect for flying and doesn't get too heavy. Well, it depends on what you put in it, obviously. And yeah. That's what it looks like on the inside. So we have the compartment here, pocket, and then there's also, sure, I was able to tell that there's a D-ring there as well. And I can't wait to use it. It's perfect. So this is my old Keepall. It's the same size, 50, and also the bandoulière. However, I did just realize that the old model, which is it was purchased in 2015, it did not have a zip pocket here, which this one does, very much like the Speedy. Otherwise, I've gotten a ton of use out of this bag. However, it did have an incident. It got stabbed by an Hermes box. I'm not sure if you're able to tell here. However, my local cobbler fixed that for me. And now this bag belongs to my boyfriend instead. And yeah, Louis Vuitton were able to exchange the handles. I had some issues with the glazing. So they were replaced in 2016. They look beautiful. Yeah, I can't wait for this baby to get some patina on the leather, and I'm looking forward to traveling with it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have a Keepall or whatever you prefer to use when traveling don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you very soon.